Have you ever wondered how to securely store your hard-earned Bitcoins? Maybe you've heard about hardware wallets and their reputation for being virtually unhackable. But how do you actually transfer your Bitcoins from an exchange like Kraken to a hardware wallet? That's what we're going to dive into today. Hook. Imagine this: you've just made a significant profit trading Bitcoin on Kraken. You're feeling pretty good about yourself, but then a nagging thought creeps into your mind: is my money safe? Building context. The truth is, exchanges can be vulnerable to hacks. While they take measures to protect your funds, nothing is entirely foolproof. That's where hardware wallets come in. They're essentially offline devices designed to securely store your cryptocurrencies. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring your Bitcoins from Kraken to a hardware wallet. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to safeguard your digital assets. Step 1. Choosing a hardware wallet. The first step is to select a reputable hardware wallet. There are several options available, but some of the most popular include Ledger Nano S, Ledger Nano X, and Trezor Model T. These devices are known for their security features and user-friendly interfaces. Consider factors like your budget, the number of cryptocurrencies you want to store, and the level of security you require. Do your research and choose a wallet that best suits your needs. Step 2. Setting up your hardware wallet. Once you've chosen a hardware wallet, it's time to set it up. Connect the device to your computer using the provided USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to create a strong password and a recovery seed phrase. The recovery seed phrase is crucial. It's a series of words that acts as a backup for your wallet. If you ever lose your hardware wallet, you can use the recovery seed phrase to restore your funds. Make sure to store the seed phrase in a secure location, away from your device. Step 3. Preparing your Kraken account. Before transferring your Bitcoins, you need to prepare your Kraken account. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the wallet section. Find your Bitcoin address and make a note of it. Step 4. Sending Bitcoins from Kraken. Now, it's time to send your Bitcoins from Kraken to your hardware wallet. Go back to the wallet section on Kraken and click on the Withdraw button. Enter your hardware wallet's Bitcoin address in the designated field and specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct, and then click on the Submit button. Kraken will process the transaction, and it should take a few minutes for the Bitcoins to appear in your hardware wallet. Step 5. Verifying the transfer. After the transfer is complete, log into your hardware wallet and check your balance. You should see the Bitcoins you sent from Kraken. If the balance is correct, your transfer was successful. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Security first. Always prioritize security when using a hardware wallet. Avoid sharing your recovery seed phrase with anyone, and keep your device safe from physical harm. Regular backups. Create regular backups of your recovery seed phrase to prevent data loss. Consider storing backups in multiple locations, both online and offline. Stay updated. Keep your hardware wallet's firmware up to date to ensure optimal security and performance. Check the manufacturer's website for the latest updates. Conclusion. Transferring Bitcoins from Kraken to a hardware wallet is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the security of your digital assets. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can protect your investments from potential threats. Remember, hardware wallets are not infallible. While they offer a high level of security, it's essential to practice good security habits and be vigilant. With the right precautions, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your Bitcoins are safe. Call to action. Have you ever transferred Bitcoins to a hardware wallet? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.